we need to get our voices ready to make music. When I give you a thumbs up, you need to go, all right. If I give you a thumbs down, you go, oh no. Let's practice. Ready? And all right. All right. Oh no! A man went up in an airplane. But the airplane didn't have an engine. But the man had a parachute. But the parachute wouldn't open. But there was a pitchfork. Oh, wait, nope. There was a haystack under the man. But there was a pitchfork in the haystack. But he missed the pitchfork. But he missed the haystack too. Good job matching me. Now we are ready to go make music.